Hazrat Wa'il bin Hujr radiyallahu anhu states, while I was in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, two men came disputing over a piece of land. A man called Amr al-Qais bin Abis Kindi said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in pre-Islamic period of ignorance, this man snatched my patch of land. His disputant was Rabia bin Ibdan. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam inquired, do you have a witness? He submitted, I do not have any witness. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, then he will take an oath. He submitted, he will then get my patch of land. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you have got no option other than the oath. When his opponent was going to take an oath, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whosoever wrongfully snatches the land of some will meet Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, while Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will be displeased with him. Imam Muslim said, in Ishaq's report, his name is Rabia bin Aidan. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 357.